All right. Let's see. So I'm not allowed to stream yet on YouTube because it's restricted at the moment for 24 hours after I've requested. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna. No, I can't move that off. I'm just gonna go ahead and record a giant loom video for the first day of this, and then after that I'm gonna start streaming. But this is the first video I'm gonna make. Basically, what I'm doing here is I'm creating a new app called I Need a Nag. So it's gonna be at ineedanag.com, and essentially it's gonna be like really basic at first. All it's gonna be is somewhere to input your what you need to be nagged about. Maybe I'll have like a default set of things you can, as suggestions, and then it's gonna send you AI generated like snarky messages reminding you to continually reminding you about whatever it is you need to be nagged on until you do it, and like text back and say, hey, I've done this. So let's see, I kind of want to do this in Golang. I'm typically a Go developer, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to start with okay. Trying to think. Yeah, let's do it in Go. What I'm going to look at is, I'm going to take a look at what I can do for messages. I'm going to use Twilio's API. So do a Go API. This is honestly going to be the hardest part. Likely. So let's see. Buy a phone number. You can buy a phone number through here? It's kind of cool. Never actually used Twilio before. Send bulk message, iterate through records. Let's see. Send a message. It kind of makes more sense to do it in JavaScript. Like, I love Go, but it's definitely like my favorite language. But I haven't used JavaScript in a while, and it would be kind of fun and easier. Let's see. Learn your messaging channel. Messaging features. What's this? I hope you can hear the music if I play it on here, but maybe not. Data analysis and dive deeper. Oh, okay. This is not what I want. Message scheduling. Let's see. Send messages. Why use messaging service? How much do these cost? Messaging service. What's next? See, I want to know how you can get a message back. Not received. Receive inbound SMS. This is what I'm looking for. Someone sends you invoke a webhook that you've created to determine the reply using, what's this? Machine learning something? Markup language. Nice. Is a set of instructions you can use to tell Twilio when you receive it. All right. So redirect. Okay. Oh, response to message. I see. Okay. Well, I would love to do this as text messages. This seems the most efficient and the easiest to get started, but it might not be so easy. Let's see if I could do it. Okay, it would be kind of annoying if you had like a new text message thread for every notification you needed. I don't really want to do an iPhone app because that's not really it's honestly not as easy. I could have it call you. That would be kind of annoying. Um, I wonder if you can use like what about this opt in, opt out thing? Let's see. Uh, handle standard English language replies. Advanced opt out feature. Okay, let's see. Create a messaging service. By number. Da, 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 da. Do I need to go to another link? Enable advanced opt out. Here we go. Okay. Make changes for shortcode other in order to remain compliant per requirements of your shortcode application. So maybe it's more shortcodes is what I want. Shortcode is a special telephone number designed for high two-way messaging. If you're sending more than a few hundred messages a day from a long code, your messages are on the risk of being marked spam. How do I find out who owns shortcode? Let's see. How much do these things cost? Also, Oh, this is not going to load, is it? SMS outbound. Toll-free short codes. Okay, that's fine. Kind of expensive, but fuck, that's kind of really expensive. Um, you do 100 messages, that's $1. I mean, that's not horrible. Um, it's definitely not good. I guess there's a reason why people don't do this with messages. What about send? What about like Twilio email? Just do the fucking annoying ass emails. Um, let's do this. Maybe pushed.io would work. How much does this shit cost? Ah. Fuck, I might have to build an actual app. That's fine. Yeah. I mean, it's kind of annoying to have to build an app because I'd rather build a web app, but I don't know if there's a good way to notify people. Notify from a web app. Email notifications. Yeah. Push notifications. Push notifications to iPhone. Can people do that from browser? I don't think you can do this. Oh. It appears you can. Wow. Where it doesn't support invisible push notifications. Huh. This is interesting. Um. Well, I might prefer doing text, but I would end up charging the user per text. So I don't want to pay for all this text. Also, AI costs quite a bit to generate stuff. It's not cheap. So let's say I'm gonna open this on a different screen in case I share any keys or anything. Oh shit, this is not what I wanted to log in as. Okay. Let me log in this time. There we go. Okay. Need to check something. All right. So let's see if I do. Well, what's their pricing look like? First of all, I've looked at this before, but it's probably changed quite a bit. All right. $5 per 1 million tokens. That's not bad. Yeah, that's not bad at all. Oh, okay. Holy crap, these got really cheap. Like super cheap. So let's say each takes 5,000. So it's like, I don't know, let's say if each one takes 5,000, then I get like 1,000 requests per dollar. That's not bad at all. If I do GPT-4 mini, which I think would be good enough, let me try a GPT-4, like 4.0 anyway. Okay, that's actually funny. I had it write me a snarky comment. So that's GPT 4.0 mini. Oh, this is 0.1 mini. I need 4.0 mini. See how fast. Oh. Okay. That is entertaining actually. Let's do that. So okay, GPT 4.0 mini is fine. It's good enough, and it's cheap enough. And yeah, I don't think they'll even let me use the other. Oh, here's the other model pricing. If I use like 3.50 turbo, is even cheaper. Huh. Whatever. I'm just gonna use this one for now. And what we'll do is we'll do text messages for now. And if it gets too expensive, I'll figure something else out. So let's do Twilio. So let's first set up the back end, front end, in order to create new like reminders, and then from there I will have it create them with AI, and then I'm gonna actually have it send it to my phone. So let's start with. I'm gonna have Cursor Composer build me something. Build me a base app. Actually, what's the other? I want to look at OpenAI and see what they're if they use Go, if they have a API, like an SDK for Go. Does not look like they do, which is fine. They mostly use Python and Node. That's fine. Let's use Node then. Create me a base Node app with Express.js. This is what I know how to do, so I'm gonna have it do this. Whatever. I'll just do it myself. And it's fine. Yeah, that's all good. Let me start an index.js. On here, create me a. I'm gonna do 4.0. I prefer this. Create me a Express.js starter index.js file that will parse JSON on requests. Yeah. Also needs to use env. And I'll create a .env file here. This is fine. So let's see. And then I should do pm install .env. How the hell do I get rid of this? Okay. And then, whoops. And then, no, that's not what I wanted. There we go. Did I already install a .env? I did. Okay. Lovely. Let's go ahead and let's see what did I mess up already? Oh, I need to do npm install express. And then let's try node index.js. There we go. Lovely. Already up and running. So I'm going to go ahead and close this because it's kind of annoying. So what kind of database do I want to use? I'll probably use Postgres. So I think I can do this. Create a new Postgres DB. All right. See if it's going to tell me Postgres 14. Yeah. Oh, perfect. It already started. Lovely. Now, let's see what happens if I go here. Oh, I need to turn off my Docker container. That might be part of the problem. Stop that. I don't think it's actually part of the problem. Let's see. Let's see what I have to say about this. Oh, hold on. So if I do that, error. Postgres. This is kind of annoying. Install PostgreSQL. So it should already be started. Cool. 14. Let's see. Let's try brew services stop PostgreSQL. And then Perfect. Okay. And this still doesn't work? Ah, all right. So let's see. If I give this whole thing, please fix. All right. What is going on here? Why is this being so difficult? Hmm. You know, I don't particularly want to do that. Did I start it again? Ah, here, let's try this. This is what I was thinking. This is kind of annoying, and I feel like this should be a simple fix. And I did this like a few days ago, still could not figure it out. So let's see what there's. It's updating Postgres. Might be a better way to do this too, honestly. What's like it? What's the easiest database to set up with Node? All right, I've never used MongoDB before, and I think it's probably fine. So, I mean, I know this is probably ridiculous that I've never used MongoDB before, but okay. Is there like uh see, the thing is I don't want to use MongoDB because it's going to cost money to scale if I ever want to. let's see. Yeah, I would rather do Postgres, but just because that's what I've done in the past. Let's see. This is taking a while. Connect database, execute. This doesn't seem like it would be hard. Just want to get a database set up. Should be simple. This is taking forever. Jesus Christ. Alright, how close do we think we are on this? Sure as hell hope soon. I hope we're close. Also, I don't know how this is running at, whoops. Yes, okay. That's what we're looking for. Oops. Ooh, this is risky. So, I know this isn't going to do shit, but I don't know what else to do. So I'm going to take this and throw it into ChatGPT. So we get, ha ha ha, we have the error. List. All right. Maybe I could just sudo it. I swear if this works, I'm gonna be so annoyed. Oh, I don't want to remove existing stuff. Um, I think that's a horrible idea. Okay, whatever. Let's. We're gonna use MariaDB. I've never used this before, but okay. Let's do that. Oh. Okay. Let's use brew. This is fun. This is so fun. Okay. Fuck. Oh, that's all I need to do. Honestly, I don't need none. I don't need one. Ah, that's why. Not the brightest. There we go. All right. I don't know what the fucking password is. Okay. Okay, I don't have a password. Uh, no, that's fine. I don't need it. Remove anonymous users. No, I don't care. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now let's take this. I don't have to keep sudoing this. All right. Let's just call this fucking. We'll do that, and then just for now. And rows in the user table. Oh, that's because I need to create the user. Identified by. Okay, hold on a second. a user. Nice. Okay. Okay. And grant all privileges on I need a nag dot all to Brady at local host. Nice. Looks good. Now I can exit. Lovely. Okay. Great. Now connect to it using node. User is and password is a 3. Name is okay. Let's see if this works. All right. This is just gonna. I'm just gonna test this. And here, I'm just gonna test this as is. And then let's test this. Node index.js. Solutions 2. Nice. That works. Lovely. Okay. So, in that case, let's go ahead and move these to env. So then we're going to do DB connections. DB connection. We'll, in this case, we'll do host, port, user. We'll call this Brady. I need a nag 1, 2, 3, and DB name. Call it I need a nag. Nice. Okay, so let's go ahead and then I'll throw this in there. Let's get rid of sample routes for now, and we'll also, I don't know, can I throw this in a function? Let's see. Let's ask, can I defer the connection close? Oh, what is the right way to defer connection close so I can continue to use it? I think this is, I mean, that might be a bad question. Cool. Okay. Let's. Okay, that's what I was gonna do. So I'm gonna go ahead and create model. Well, no, it's not. I don't want a file. I want a new folder. I'm gonna call it model. Yeah, let's call it model. Do new folder controller. New folder. That's fine for now. I'll create the API folder. I'll use it eventually. So in here, I'll call it mariadb.js. Oh, this is not Golang. I don't need a package. So then I'll go ahead and use env variables here. Okay. Let's async function connect. Okay. Connect. All right. All right. Let's see. We have. This is fine, but I'm thinking like, how do I use this throughout the app? And I probably did like db.connect for every single time, right? Is there a better way? Yeah, I want to do a pool. Query. Up the mariadb.js file for me. Okay, the promise pool. Okay, perfect. This is lovely. This is what I want. Okay, let's take this. I want to, okay, I'm going to change this to like 20 because I do want a 20 connection limit. This is nice, actually. I like this. Okay, so let's try this. Just test it. Okay, and then, so how do I make the initial DB connection? Oh. Oh. Wow, that's cool. Okay. So I actually have to make a initial connection useful. So if I just, let's say if I require const db equals require dot slash model slash mariadb.js and then test db call And then let's do db dot query. It's going to give me an error because I don't actually have pm install nodemon. Let's see, nodemon index.js. Callback function is not available with promise clients. Well, that solved my issue. Function. See if that works. Oh, haha. It needs to be db pass. That users do not exist. Yeah, okay. Lovely. Okay. Now I want to, so let's see what they have to say here. I want a new, actually I want a new, what is this called again? I need a nag. All right. Take a look at Maria, and I want to define models and have them auto migrate. How can I do that? Let's see what it has. Let's see. Am I a fan of this? User first name. It's okay. Kind of. Honestly, I could just I don't know. I could honestly just write the SQL in like a string. Synchronize it. I like to find models and automatically sync them with your database. Here's the breakdown. No, I'm not a fan. Let's just write. Let's just write it ourselves. Let's call it. Let's say. I'm just gonna see if it can do it. Oh, here's what I'll do. I'll give this to. I could write this myself, but I'm being lazy. To define models and have them auto migrate, please. God, GPT 4.0 or not 4.0, 01 preview. It's pretty damn good. I'm continually impressed. Okay, maybe it is better to use Sequelize. Library lets you define models. Okay, let's use Sequelize. Why not? Let's give it a shot. I've never used it before. Now. Okay, so in models.user.js, you export it, post, blah, 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 synchronize models with database. Okay, and then you import all the models. Okay, so let's have it do it here. Did it do it here? Pool, max 20, acquire idle, log. Okay, looks like it did it here. This is good, but I'd prefer to define each model in its own file. For now, yeah, its own file. Let's see what it has to say to that. Okay. Models. That's a complicated way. Import each model. Let's just export and import manually. Let's do that. All right, so let's see. Secret. What is? How to do that? I don't know. The way I'm looking at it over here on GPT 01 preview looks way cleaner. Define your models. Synchronize models with database. Okay, so let's just do it the way that ChatGPT is telling me to do it. Initialize, Sequelize. Let's take this. And replace this. Oh, Jesus. All right. Now, let me look at what it was doing again. I mean, that looks fine. Let's clean this like this. I like the way that that looks. Um, okay, how to do this here? What this is dialect. Okay, this is fine. I don't know where this is in. Um, export models a user. All right, maybe I'm literally just better off like doing this on my own. All right. Let's see if I can do. Oh, Sequelize already has a lot of this stuff built in, which is nice. Lovely. Okay, so this stuff I don't need because Sequelize already has a lot of that built in. This as well. I can get rid of that. Now let's take. Let's move it to models. Move. Yeah, whatever. I'll delete model. I'll move that to trash. I'll save that. I don't know. Okay, yeah, that's why. Okay, so here I'm going to create a user.js. That's not Golang. Yikes. Let's see, so now if I take example user, I mean, let's make these 255 just for the sake of it. Okay, integer unsigned, auto increment primary key. Let's just do this for now. Oh, this is cool. Okay, let's get rid of password. Table name users, timestamps true. This is cool. If this works, I'm not 100% sure that it actually works, but synchronize models with database auto migration. This is what I'm looking for. Let's see. Put the auto migration into a function for me to call, for me to put in the MariaDB.js file. All right, let's see if it does this properly. Updated MariaDB. Import your models here. Define associations. Okay, let's import models. It's not going to let me, is it? Import below? Maybe it will. Function, perform to auto migrate. Alter true. Okay, let's see what it has me do. Okay. Let's see. And then let's go to index const auto migrate, and then setup and slash migrate. Let's make this an async. All right, let's see if this works. All right, let's do nodemon index.js. Crashed. What did not work? Cannot find. Oh. Models user. .js. Wait, so if I in here, oh, okay, that's cool. So let's see if this works. User. Only encasing. Okay, so maybe if I do this. Okay. VM install. Now what do we not have? Oh, okay. So this is a dot. db.js, and then here. Will this work? Come on. Cannot read properties of undefined. Oh, okay. Let's see what they have to say here. Fix, please. Import a sequelize and data types from sequelize package. New sequelize. Okay, so let's take this. To maybe that'll fix it. Okay, start database. Await, authenticate, sequelize.sync. Now, if I go to index.js, start, all right, change this to start database. Let's see if this works. No, it does not. What is going on? This is in user. And sequelize is undefined. Okay, hold on. Let me see if this can solve it. Composer sequelize is undefined. I might just be better off just raw dogging this and sequelize. Let's see. Installation. Okay. JavaScript or Node.js sequelize. Okay, let's start this over from scratch. I don't need two of these. That's redundant. Sequelize equals require sequelize. Good. Have that. New sequelize. Have this. Separately passing parameters, other dialects. Good. Testing the connection. So why don't I do this? Okay. So when I start the database, I open it and then await sync, return sequelize. Okay. Course concept. Await user.create. Okay, this might work. Let's see. Model basics. Okay. Does this do? Okay, that's annoying. Let's see. To be able to easily access the database in my app. How can I do that? without getting, getting undefined errors. This shouldn't be that hard. I'm being stupid right now. Copy. Let's. Okay. Okay, let's see how we can define what the user file looks like. Let's see if this works. Does still not work? Working. It's like it's not getting defined beforehand. Fine. Do I not export it? Is that the problem? I think this is being stupid now. I don't think it's right. I think it is being unintelligent. Oh, I think I was being unintelligent. Wow. Okay. This makes more sense now. Okay. So if I get rid of all of this, the issue was right here. I was importing this when I shouldn't have been importing it there. Is that right? User is not defined. Oh, and I exported it here. I don't need to export models from here. Nice. Okay. Now, why don't I look at a new connection? MariaDB. Connection name is going to be, I need a NAG, localhost, port 3306, that's fine. Name Brady. And password is I need nag 123, I think. Does that work? Connection successful. Lovely. Let's see what we have here. I need a nag. Tables. Nothing. Lovely. That is not what we wanted. Okay. So now let's look at decayed. Also update user.js. This should be working. It doesn't create the user table. Ah, okay, so I do have to. And now I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get like, if I add this, right? Import. Oh. Huh. Okay, because it defines sequelize beforehand. Okay. Now it created the users table. Lovely. Oh, thank goodness. It works. Oh, okay. Now, if I want to, let's say, just for the sake of testing, so user.create, or let's user.create. Let's call this Brady123. Let's call this Brady, or we'll call this tertiary plans at gmail.com. There's no password. I think this is it, actually. Okay, user.create is not a function. Good to know. Come on. This is annoying. I'm trying to switch. Chrome. I'm trying to get cursor up on one screen and Chrome up on the other. Whatever. Okay. User. Querying. Wait, user dot. Oh, it's undercase or it's lowercase. That's why. I don't want you to see that. Users dot create. Nice, it works. I can't believe this works. Thank God. Oh. Okay. This is so fun. All right. Let's see. So. I can add auth later. I don't really want to do auth right now. That sounds like a pain in the ass. Yeah, let's just get this working. That'd be cool to just actually have it work. So let's do. What is this app doing again? Oh, it's nagging. Let's call it a nag.js. I like that. Nag.js. And let's just copy this. Let's copy it up till here. Actually, fine. Let's copy the whole thing and then we'll change it. And we'll call this nag. Nag. We'll name the nag. And then we will. Let's call it. I mean, for now, let's do frequency. And no, let's do. Time. Well, okay, so how do we want to do this? Because I want it to be able to specify the first nag and how often. So like a frequency. Let's do a frequency. Let's call this. Yeah, all right, fine. We'll like allow like daily. Well, let me look at like reminders. What does reminder app do? Add a new reminder. Take the time. So they have a date and then a time and a repeat. That's fine. I'll do a date, a time. Oops. Time. Date only. Let's see, what is it? Whatever, that's fine. I don't know if this is gonna work. And then, okay, that's fine. This has not been migrated. So date, time, frequency. That's fine. Then we'll do a last nagged. We'll call this one. This one's gonna be a date time. That's fine for now. And then we'll call this nags. Timestamp true. Okay. Now, if I go back to MariaDB and do snag. Oh, is that a data type I put in there? Oops, does not like this. User is not defined. Oh, nag. Okay. Now let's see if nag exists. There it is. Nags exist. That's what I like to see. Okay. Oh, Jesus Christ. This is ridiculous. Let's go to index.js. Shit, I should probably build an auth flow, actually, just so that it's easy for me to test this. I mean, I'd rather do something just easy, to be honest. Okay. Well, it's kind of cool setup. I like this. So if I want to do associations, I probably have to do it in here, right? Like user dot has what is nag foreign key user ID. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's actually awesome. That's really cool. I like this a lot. Okay. Cool. Well, I'm gonna call it for now, but tomorrow I'm gonna come back and add more.